Hi everyone, it's Amanda. Welcome back to Shoes of Hollywood. I am so excited to be here and review some amazing heels, and thank you to all our members. Make sure you join the members area so you don't miss out on anything and get exclusive content. Okay, so today I'm reviewing these black faux suede heels in a size 38. I'm normally a size 39-ish, so we'll see how these go, but I think they will be fine. They are individually wrapped, which is so lovely. I love the faux suede feel. It's like kind of like a velvety sort of feel. They've got a bit of a squishy bottom as well with a memory foam feel. You have the zip at the back, buckle at the side which is adjustable, and then you've got several straps around the front. And I'm guessing the heel is like 7 inches? 6 inches. Who knows? Let's measure it. 7! Oh my gosh, I was right. Who would have thought? Okay, now I know some of you prefer bare legs and some prefer the stockings, so we'll give the shoes a try with both these options so you can tell me which one you like better and which one you prefer, but we'll do both to please everyone. Okay, we've got the two heels. 7 inches, very high, and it's got the platform at the front as well, so even though it's quite high, it will be easier to walk in with the double sole on it. And I've got my little black dress on as well. Make these all nice and straight, and you can adjust the buckles as well if you want. Yep. Cool. I'm not going to adjust the buckles, but I could, if I wanted to, make them a little bit tighter, or you could add extra holes in them. Oh my gosh, they're so tall. I'm almost touching the ceiling. And let me know what you think of my outfit. Shoes of Hollywood love to dress me in very cool little dresses, so this is a very cute one. Feel kind of businessy, but kind of ready to go out. Okay, let's have a look. Whoa. Gosh, I've grown 7 inches. Very cute, very tall. I'm going to do a bit of a walk. And I'm finding these are pretty comfy because they've got so many straps around them. They're fairly easy to walk in. I can't complain. I think they look really good. They're very flattering. Make my legs look super long. Okay, and let's try them on with the stockings. So we'll take them off and put these stockings on. These are the thigh highs that stay up with the silicone by themselves, which is a really nice touch because you don't want to be pulling up your stockings all the time. They are by Music Leg silicone lace top spandex sheer thigh highs. Ta-da! So as you can see here, we've got 2 lines of this silicone, which is a little bit sticky and will help stay up on your thighs. Let's try them on. One. The second one. Alright, pop these on. So these are the 7-inch faux suede with the zip at the back. And let me know what you think. I will just adjust that. Let me know what you think, if you prefer the stockings or the bare legs. I will have a look in the mirror and see what I think. Ooh, very professional, very classy. Here's a side view. Thank you so much for tuning in again to Shoes of Hollywood. I love reviewing these heels for you. And make sure you let me know in the comments what you think, what you guys want to see more of. And if you're not subscribed to our members group, make sure you do so you never miss anything and all of our unique content and any special videos that we make just for our members. Thanks so much. I'm Amanda. Bye.